Hello everyone, my name is Julia. Today my friends and I have come to the Taiho Ecological Island in Suzhou, which is known as the green lung of Taiho Lake. Come on, follow me and I'll show you around. We're at the farm now. It has vegetables and fruits grown here which have zero carbon emission. Let's take a bite and see if it tastes good. Very good.
在这里呢，我们装了很多的监测装置，上了很多电气化的这个农器具，我们同时建了有150千瓦的这个分布式光伏，它可以为整个园区提供80%的电力供应。同时呢，我们通过碳捕获的这个交易实现了一个园区的一个碳中和。所以你目前这个采摘到的草莓包括各种果蔬都是一个绿色的一个产品。介绍一下我们这个智慧路灯它跟别的路灯不一样它是集成了这个光伏、储能和包括摄像头在内的一个这样子的路灯。它使用的电来自于我们光伏发的电，光伏发的电如果多了，可以储存在我们这个电池里面，使它晚上也可以使用。
Now we are at a hotel, but this is actually a really special one. Everything here is powered by electricity. I've heard that they use an air-to-air heat pump to get hot water, which requires only a little bit of electricity to produce heat. Isn't it that amazing? The dumplings we are enjoying now are made with freshly picked vegetables from the farm. So good! A lot of tourists would choose an electric car to travel around the island. There are over 100 charging stations on the island and you could find definitely one within 2 kilometers. You can feel the green energy everywhere on the island. The natural beauty here and the friendly environment will definitely attract more people to experience it.